Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to check your Amazon seller payment history. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Amazon Seller Central right here, sellercentral.amazon.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is sign up for one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started. So in this home page, now after logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard right here where we can go and manage our catalog, our inventory, orders, and so on, everything that we need regarding our store. And now we can get started with taking a look at our history of payments. And basically, how can we do that? We can take a look at this article right here on the official Seller Central of Amazon. It's showing us how to take a look at our payment history. Basically, we're going to go and open up our seller wallet account. So in the dashboard right here, you're going to go and open up your seller wallet account from your settings. And once you open up your seller wallet account, you're going to have an option that says payments. You want to click on payments, and from there you can click the payment history tab. That's going to enable you to take a look at the history of all your payments tabs in Amazon Seller Central, and from there you can get started taking a look at any payments that you had in the past and get started using them, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.